How to get light shards in Terraria. So you cannot find this item before hard mode, so first defeat the wall of flesh in the underworld to trigger the hollow biome generation. Second is you must locate a hollow desert. So I have one right here, and if your world did not generate a hollow desert, you can create one by manually planting hollowed seeds in sand or spraying the area with a contaminator, which is the one that I did. So I have a contaminator right here, and I just manually made my desert into a hallowed one, just like that. So I'm going to do this all the way. Once you have a hallowed desert, you need to farm light mummies on the surface. So light mummies are these ones. I'm just going to kill them off. As you can see, I already have one light shard just like that. So this is what the light shard will look like. So the light mummies are your absolute best targets because they have exactly a 10% chance to drop a light shard. And to speed up the grind, place a water candle just like this. You could also drink a battle potion to maximize the enemy spawn rate. So you strictly need 2 of these shards combined with a magic missile and souls of light to craft the powerful early hard mode magic weapon, which is the Sky Fracture. So this is what the weapon will look like. That is how I basically get light shards in Terraria.